Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert multiple pages inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and click on the Organize tab at the top of the page like so. And now while you do that, come on to the left hand side and open up the Thumbnails tab. So you go ahead and find that. So here it is here. So you can see all your pages inside of your work or your documents PDF. Now we've got a couple of different ways how we can add these pages. So from here under thumbnails, we can go ahead and click on the plus icon. That's going to zoom in on the page. And now above that, we've got insert. So we can go ahead and insert an empty page or insert empty pages, insert images, insert text. So if you go ahead and click on insert pages, we've got an option here by insertion point by page standard custom, so we can muck around with that, destination before or after, and also first, current, last, or custom as well, and then go ahead and click on OK.